Hi, today we're going to test and see if steel wool and a 9-volt battery can start a fire. This is grade 0000, which is the finest steel wool that you can buy. I'm going to open it up here. And spread out the fibers of the steel wool and see if we can start a fire without a match. That should be enough, I think. Alright, let's touch the 9-volt battery to the steel wool, and like I said, see if we can start a fire without a match, and then we'll try to do more with it. Look at it catching those fibers on fire. That is amazing. So, if that works, then the question is, can you start, say, a campfire without a match by using a 9-volt battery and steel wool? There's another piece out here. And we'll open it up like the other one. Spread the fibers out. Now, I've got some kindling here, so I'm going to put the kindling on top of the steel wool. And let's see if we can get this campfire started just by touching the battery to the steel wool and try to start the fire that way. There we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.